Hey guys, today I am doing a PR unboxing haul of all the stuff that some artsy companies have sent me. One, because I love watching these sorts of videos. Tati's Free Stuff That Beauty Gurus Get series is a lot of fun to watch. And two, I wanted to make this to thank all the companies collectively for their generosity. I am very thankful to have received these gifts and I want to share it with you guys. Share them with you guys. Cattail? Which one should we open first? You gonna relax? Relaxy taxi? Important question, is it relaxy taxi or relaxy cab? Which one do you prefer? He's just walking in circles. A tiny spoiler alert, in this package right here, there's a bunch of sticker related products. So if you're a sticker addict, there goes Leo. Thanks for opening the door. Hang out till the end and we'll open that one last. As you can probably tell, I did actually open these already, so I know what's inside them. The first package, you're gonna be like, Sarah, those are socks. Those aren't really artistic in any way. Definitely true that I can't really do anything artsy with these unless I would like cut them up and turn them into something. But I think it's so awesome that the company actually printed images of me and Craig and Leo, and then they have a really colorful logo on the bottom. And I also wanted to include these in the video because this is actually a company from Ohio. And I was born in Ohio and I live here now. The company name is Twinkle Co, which is so cute and it sounds really inspiring. It reminds me of a bunch of stars. They're a custom sock company based in Cleveland, Ohio, which I actually lived in that area. I lived in Beechwood for 2.5 years. I just moved back to the Toledo area though. So they discovered me through my YouTube channel. Oh my gosh, thank you for watching, by the way. The owner would like to credit their nieces for discovering me. I guess every time they would do arts and crafts together, they'd be like, oh, we found this on SoCraftastic. They've made glitter slime, cookie soap, candles, and the Wrecked Journal, so Wreck This Journal, which I did just do an episode on. Their slogan is, be yourself from head to toe, which is so clever. Marty, thank you so much again. I love these. And I love the Leo one especially. Leo is on my sock. That is hilarious. And then there's the bottom. They're actually really comfortable too. Next, let's do this Amazon package, which I got in August. I've had this stuff kind of for a while. I was saving it because I thought maybe I'll do like an Instagram unboxing or something, but then I got just enough to have an entire video. So I'm like, why not just share it on YouTube? So my mom, thank you mom for doing this, she usually goes to check my P.O. box like every single week. And then she'll bring me mail over. Now some weeks I'm so busy that I didn't realize that I didn't actually look in this package. I don't know what I was thinking, but I got these. I didn't even realize, I don't think I had opened it and looked inside. So this one actually was a surprise. I got 36 planner stencils, which can be used for journals, like bullet journals, diaries, notebooks, planners, scrapbooks. They are Alex Melnick. There's a barbecue one. Very unique. I didn't expect that one. These are so cool though. These are really cool. It says, hello, my name is Alex Melnick. I sell stencils under my brand name, Alex Melnick. These are all hand designed personally by Alex. Thank you so much for sending these to me. They're pretty cool and I think they're gonna come in use for a lot of different things. Okay, so this next one, any of you guys who are into planning, bullet journaling, or any sort of calligraphy, you guys are really gonna like this one. This letter is from Mixbook, but they did a collaboration with another really familiar, popular company that you guys may know of. So this is Mixbook and Tombow. They sent me this package. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen on my story that I did post this little card that had calligraphy on it and a little quote. The reason that they decided to do this collaboration and send out packages to some creators is because there is a brand new 10-pack of Tombow Fudenosuke color pen. What are these called though? They are hard tip brush pens. And I love them. I'm not just saying this because they were free or because the company told me to or anything. I want you guys to know that if they did not pay me, like no one that I'm showing in this video paid me to say nice things. They didn't pay me at all except with products. Free product, no money. These are all 100% honest opinions, and honestly if I don't like something I probably just wouldn't show it in the video. So if I'm showing it to you guys, it's like something I'm excited to try or something that I like. It's not gonna be like, oh, I hate this, unless I would show you something and be like, maybe you shouldn't buy this. And I know, you know, that might be kind of rude if a company is sending me something and I just don't like it and I'm like, don't buy this. But at the same time, I also want to be very transparent with you guys and let you know when something just is not worth buying. Anyway, these are definitely worth buying though. I had never tried a hard tip brush pen before, and these are so much easier for me to use than like the regular Tombow. I do have a code I can give you guys for 50% off your card order from Mixbook, so I will put that on the screen and in the description box if you are interested in that. It expires on November 15th, 2018. And then I also got a gift, well, 2 gifts from Mixbook. This set with some cards and envelopes and a few stickers. This is the one that I drew on and, you know, shared to Instagram. I just did a pretty generic quote. It says, follow your heart and reach for the stars. But I was just practicing and I don't know, I thought it was cute. I really like the paper. These are sort of cardstock, and they do have a lot of different designs. Finally, in this package is a tote bag, which this really comes in handy whenever I'm traveling, or I don't know, even in the house just to organize things. Like in my closet, I have some stuff thrown in tote bags, like camera gear and stuff. So I definitely like getting bags. Pretty solid, good quality material. Got a Mixbook. Moving on. Like I said, we're gonna skip this one, save it for later, but here's a little sneak peek of a roller skate. So retro, so cute. These two pretty much go together. They're both from Hasbro or Play-Doh. Ooh, this one's heavy. I had been planning to do a Da Vinci project and make a video for that, but I had just gotten done with the Play-Doh painting and then I wanted to take a break from Play-Doh for a little bit. But if you're still interested in seeing me create something with this kit, which I will open in a second, but let's do the yellow box first. But anyway, if you are interested in another Play-Doh video of some sort, I had a lot of fun with the 200 cans, one sculpture, and of course the painting. So if you guys are interested, let me know. This package though, look at how big this is. Inside this, we have essentially toy kits, and then just some boring stuff I kind of already mentioned, but I want to say it the way that they wrote it just so FTC doesn't come at us. Hasbro sent these products for free. They were a gift. This set of 20 colors, and it is a school bus design. This is such a cute box. So I think that this one has the same 20 colors that the ones I used in my sculpture video had in them. This is the Buzz and Cut play set, which I always begged for as a kid. Oh my gosh, there's an actual hair trimmer in there. Well, not actual, but you know, it actually buzzes. This is so much fun. There's an actual Cinderella and Belle figurine in this, and then you can make dresses for them out of Play-Doh. So, oh my gosh, there's a mold for the dress, and there's castles, and it has glitter sparkle Play-Doh in it. Moving on to this one, which is one of the coolest box designs I've ever seen. Let's get into this one. This has a bunch of Da Vinci dough in it. And I did do a review on Da Vinci a few years back, so if you're interested in watching that, I will link it in the description box and in the iCard up in the corner. Oh my gosh, it comes with its own little Da Vinci canvas. And then the entire kit as well, which is a lot different than the one I had. So they did upgrade it and do some different things. This is the on-the-go art studio, but instead of like the old design, like I was saying, they have stencils this time, and it's just a totally different look. So I am pretty excited to try this out again. It has an extruder, or like kind of like a Play-Doh glue gun. Why did I do that? I was trying to like do the trigger and quotation marks at the same time. So you put these little canisters in and it basically just squirts out like hot glue. And then here is another picture that you can doodle on with Da Vinci. Again, this was a gift. Thank you so much Hasbro, Play-Doh for the gifts. I will be using the Da Vinci one. I may be giving the toys away to some very deserving children. I'm very happy that you sent this for me to share with my viewers. Hope you guys like seeing them. Just became available this fall 2018. This one would be $15.99, and the starter set, which would be $9.99. On this one, I really like that there is dark paper with it. That looks really cool together. On the Go Art Studio retails for $19.99. Now we can get on to this one, which I have actually used this the most out of everything. I got this a few months back. So what I'm about to show you is a collection of sticker books and planners that we just launched, as in Pipsticks, just launched with Workman Publishing. So again, two companies that collab together and wanted me to try out their product and share it with you guys. This package is from Mo. Thank you so much. This is a giant puffy roller skate sticker. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, like where should I put this, but it's so cute. I got this beautiful like lava lamp pen. It has glitter and water in it, so it's kind of like a snow globe lava lamp type thing. It's a beautiful rose gold color. Then we have all this fluff stuff. Leo was having a lot of fun with it. And even though I have opened this stuff, like I said, and I've been using it, I kept the tissue paper and everything. My hand's like shaking from holding that in an awkward way. The packaging was super cute. I mean, now it's still cute, but it's ripped. But I just wanted to show you what the stuff came in. Here we have 3 sticker books. There is The Fun Has Just Begun, Dreaming in Color, and The Future is Bright. And each sticker book comes with 800 plus stickers and bonus postcards. I love this though, the awesomest sticker book ever. I make up words too in my videos, it's okay. Each book has 1 sheet of glitter stickers, 1 sheet of holographic stickers, and then 18 sheets of glossy stickers plus the postcards. And each one is a little bit different. It's the same concept, like there's some letter stickers, there's the glitter page with the stars and hearts and money or dollar signs. So I hope you guys enjoyed the flip through of these. Now let's move on to these little notebooks here, which are really, really cute. Everything's just cute. This is the Big Ideas Inside Creativity Pad for Dreamers, which also has 100 stickers with it. I really love the stickers in this one. This reminds me of the Da Vinci box almost. It's like kind of like an 80s, 90s vibe. Then we have a list keeper for superstars. It says fun stuff inside, and then on the back it says list it. And I actually have been using this one. My fiance and I, Craig, we would like write down different chores that we had done just to like kind of keep track and make sure that we were like both pulling our own weight around the place. The third one is a goal tracker for visionaries. and it says great things inside and work it on the back. Work it girl, work it boy. I swear like I opened this one before, but I must have missed the sticker that says yeah baby. That was a terrible Austin Powers impression. I can't do it, but that's exactly what I thought of when I saw it. One of my absolute favorite things that I've received probably this entire year, the Pipsticks 17-month planner. It says 2019, but it actually started in August. And it says this changes everything. It has 2 bookmark, like elastic bookmark page holders on the front and a spiral. I actually started using this like right when I got it. I put my name inside with the stickers from the sticker books, and then there's this little folder, or like pouch I mean, in here. So that's a Ziploc, and then it has some, I don't know if they're sticky notes or just like bookmark things. And then this cassette tape right here. The planner does come with a few pages of stickers in the front, and they are seasonal, but they also have like to do, don't forget, let's eat. I love the classic car, of course. There's a list of different holidays, and then there's a goals page in the front. August, you guys may have seen this in my Organize Your Life video. I did sneakily put it in there. September has avocados. I love avocados. And then October, I used my new sticker book from the haul that I just put up last week with the hollow Halloween stickers. I used that to put beware, and then I did these tiny ones for the bullet points to write down everything that I'm currently up to and thinking and feeling. So I filled out this, put a bunch of stickers. Finally, in this box, we have, if I can open it, hands off my stickers, a sticker collection book. I really like all the cute little designs on the front of this. You open it up and there's a bunch of puffy stickers, and it actually says Puffy love stickers, fun, yay, favorite. Then basically you just open up these insert pages here, and you can fold them back, and you can also put stickers in the Ziploc bag pouches. So there's quite a few pages in different colors, and you can organize your stickers on these. There's a yellowy orange one, and an orangey red one, and finally a pink one. That is everything from this haul. If you guys enjoyed seeing it, let me know, and if I do manage to acquire a bunch more boxes and packages from different companies, I will definitely save them and open them on camera for you all. A huge thank you to every company, every brand, every person who sent me items. I will definitely put this stuff to good use. I hope you guys enjoyed the bonus video. Stay tuned for my regular content, which will be returning on Friday. Turn on bell notifications so you never miss out, and subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!